High winds, heavy rain, and large hail, just some of what made its way through Siouxland with a line of severe storms tonight. This video from Vermilion, South Dakota is sent by viewer Charlene Payne. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight for News 410 on this First Alert Weather Day. I'm Jessica Bowman. And I'm Matt Breen. We have Team 4 coverage tonight of the severe weather that continues to make its way through the area tonight, with KTIV's Gabriela Quinones live in Vermilion, South Dakota, covering damage in that community. But we begin with First Alert Chief Meteorologist Ron DeMars, who's got the latest on where the storms are at this hour. Ron?
Yeah, the storms have really lost their intensity. That's kind of what we expected. That initial line was going to be really strong, and boy, it was, especially with some heavy rain, even that heavy rain causing problems. But let's get to what we have going on right now. This is the rain still going on. You saw the lightning right there from our Orange City cam. So no, the storms aren't done. They're just not as intense as what they were earlier on tonight. Here's what we have going on at this time on radar. About the strongest cell we have is up here in Sioux County right now. Still a pretty big batch of rain there, and more moving in from the west as we speak. There's the activity that I'm talking about in places like Orange City. Sioux Center's been getting more rain. Looked at a couple rain gauges up that way. At least a couple inches fell in that vicinity, it looks like. And there's more steady rain farther off to the west as well. This is making its way eastward. So far here at KTIV, we didn't have the really heavy rain, but we've picked up 2800ths here at the station. And a severe thunderstorm watch is still in effect for a good portion of the area. That goes until 1 a.m. Here is the reason why. Your future track shows these thunderstorms that have settled down some continue to make their way onto the east, but then as we get toward 3 a.m., some stronger storms may once again enter the southern parts of the KTIV viewing region. You see a couple of those there between Tekamah as well as Denison, and then those march their way eastward. We're still waking up to rain tomorrow morning. That won't be severe anymore, but a First Alert Weather Day continues into the nighttime hours tonight because that potential is still of some strong storms and some localized flooding that can't be ruled out. We'll have much more about tonight's storms and how long the rain will last into tomorrow coming up soon. Ron, we'll look forward to that full forecast. Now, over the last few hours, viewers have sent us countless photos and videos of the damage done by the storms, and countless communities continue cleaning up. And some of the first and worst damage came in the city of Vermilion, South Dakota. That's where we find KTIV's Gabriela Quinones. She's with Live Link 4 tonight. Gabriela, what kind of damage have you seen there?
Yeah, right behind me, a storage unit got hit pretty hard by those straight line winds. So much so that some of the contents of the storage unit got blown away from the property. I was just talking to a gentleman who is renting 2 of those units, and one of them got damaged pretty badly. And he did tell me that, believe it or not, there were 2 units right behind me just moments before the storm hit, and now they're just gone. When we were driving into town, we did drive through some strong rain that did cause some low visibility. And as we were driving around town, we did see some trees that were ripped apart and debris in the road. Take a look at this video. The video shows strong wind and hail sent in by Thomas Lindmeyer. Leaves are blowing extremely hard on the trees, and you can see debris flying across the yard. Overall, there's low visibility in the video because of those strong wind and rain. This next video gives a better look at the hail that hit the area in Vermilion. Megan O'Neill sent KTIV a video that shows quarter-size hail on a patio. The rocking hammock continues to show the wind gusts from the storm. These next few pictures show the damage caused by the straight line winds. Pictures from Kathy Tepley and Thomas Lindmeyer show trees ripped apart and knocked to the ground. Backyard play sets were blown down as seen in a picture sent in by Jen Maggio, and Tracy Chamberlain sent a picture that shows just how close some of those trees were to falling on homes. This last video really shows just what Vermilion residents experienced during this storm. There is hail hitting the patio, and those straight line winds are blowing over the patio furniture, and you can get a good idea of just how low the visibility was during the storm. Now, that is just a little bit of the coverage from Vermilion, but for more coverage in other areas, I'll toss it back to you in the studio.
KTIV's Gabriela Quinones live for us in Vermilion, South Dakota. Gabriela, we appreciate the update.
And of course, it's not just Vermilion dealing with damage from these storms tonight, as Gabriella mentioned. In Dixon County, Nebraska, downed trees and tree limbs scattered several areas, to include this area on Highway 9 at 589th Avenue. This image is from the Dixon County Sheriff's Office. Now, the department said this area of the road is closed as crews work to clear the roadway and make it safe for drivers.
Tonight, the Sioux County Sheriff's Office is asking drivers there to use extreme caution if driving around Sioux County. We've learned some roads in Sioux County, they're washed out by the severe weather. This photo was taken by Sioux County Deputy Josh Harmelink. He shows a gravel road north of Hull. It's out. According to the Sioux County Sheriff, there are reports of not only roads washed out, but also flooding. So again, drivers are urged to use caution when traveling in and around Sioux County. Also from Sioux County, check out this video of hog barns destroyed near the town of Hospers, Iowa. You can see debris from one of those barns strewn clear across Highway 60, even blowing in a semi into the road and littering the median. This video from the Siouxland Severe Weather Network and Brian Oldenkamp.
Lightning strikes 2 miles west of Bronson, Iowa. Ben Clark submitted this picture capturing this photo looking west, and you can see as the severe weather rolls through that particular area of Siouxland. Thank you, Ben, for sharing with Siouxland.
The storms also knocked out power to hundreds of people in the metro area tonight. Mid-American Energy's outage tracker shows more than 300 people are still without power at this hour in North Sioux City, South Dakota, and about 450 total in Sioux City's service area. The North Sioux City customers impacted, they're estimated to get their power back sometime in the next few minutes. Others in the Sioux City metro could be in the dark until about 11:30 tonight.
And you can stay up to date with alerts as they come into the First Alert Weather Center. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is download that KTIV First Alert Weather app. It is a free download to your phone from the Apple App Store or Google Play. To get started, you can scan the QR code you see right now on your screen to make sure you receive up-to-the-minute updates.